This is a 2013 Ford Fusion, and we're replacing the indicator that goes pretty much right above your high beam. Alright, you can see that hole right there is open. We already took out the bulb. And pretty much, as you can see, this is going to be using a T10. Alright, the actual numeration for it looks like it's a W5 W2 P3. Alright, so pretty much, like always, make sure you use some type of like glove or use a microfiber cloth, something to pull out the bulbs. Don't use your hands to pull them out. So we're gonna get that pulled out real quick. There you go. And pretty much that's your T10 right there. Okay, and that's what we're gonna replace. And simply put it back in.
Okay.
Should be regular. Make sure it's sitting perfectly flush in there. It's all the way in. You're good to go. And then just put it back into place. It is kind of difficult. This headlight is very, very badly designed. And you just gotta play with it. It helps a lot if you have small fingers or hands. So I got it to twist a bit, so I think that's as far as it'll go, and this is how it'll look. All right, there you go. And that pretty much all you gotta do now is just put it all together so you can test it and make sure it works. Alright, so this is your stock halogen. This is the T10 we just replaced, but that's your halogen one. And now we're going to light it up one more time so you can see it, and then we'll show you the LED version, okay? Alright, there you go, and that's our T10 LED white 6K.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.